halls on every Wednesday. It's that time where we come together, like all DT associates and all non-DT associates as well lately, who just come. We all come together in terms of discussing what uh, we've achieved till now in terms of how we would want to progress for the rest of the week and the first 3 days of the week as well, and discuss any pointers, any pain points. It's just that it just helps everyone to connect it, no matter which function that you are working in deep thought, whether it be tech team or whether it be a product researchers team, or for that matter any team, growth team. It just helps everyone to make sense of the vision that we are collectively working towards, and like just a sense making session where we kind of get to know each other, no matter where the other person is functioning. I think that's very important because traditionally that's not what happens generally, because when you go to different organizations, like you might not observe people from a different department trying to communicate with the others. So this is what where we want to counter that and say no, everyone wants to interact with every other person in the organization and just have or share that collective feeling in terms of working together.